Today, we're going to show you how to create a course using the Garmin Explore app and send it to your Foretrex 801 or 901 outdoor navigator. In this video, we will be using the Foretrex 901, but the process is the same for the Foretrex 801. If you haven't paired your Foretrex 901 to the Explore app, see our pairing with the Garmin Explore app video. The Garmin Explore app also allows for downloading maps to allow for planning your adventure and creating a course that can be sent to your device. First, open the Garmin Explore app. From the map screen, select the layers icon in the top left. We are going to use satellite with topo active mapping. This allows for creating a course and includes a great color aerial image. Now select the plus icon, followed by Create Course. With Topo Active selected, the Snap to Path magnet icon will be displayed. This allows you to follow the local streets, paths, and trails. There is also a helpful tutorial within the app. Tap the screen to select your starting point. Tapping at any point where the road, path, or trail are will create your course. When you are done, just select Save. Next, you can add the course to the active collection of your Foretrex 901 by selecting Add to a Collection. Then select New Collection. Enter the name of your new collection, followed by OK. Then select your collection. For more help on creating a collection within the Explore app, see our Library and Collections video. Finally, select Save. The course will have been sent to your device with the latest sync. When the course is created in the Explore app, it will be converted to a track when sent to your device. Now that the course has been sent to your Foretrex 901, press the Page Go To button to get to the main menu. Then, with the down button, highlight Tracks and select with the Enter Mark button. Scroll down to List Saved and select it. Your course will be listed by name under the tracks list. Once selected, navigation options will be shown. When you begin navigation, a map screen will be displayed. Here you can see a direction compass to your starting point. When you hit the Enter button again, you can calibrate your compass. This is good to do a couple of times per year. Data screens allow you to customize the screens shown to fit your needs. To do this, scroll down and select Change Fields. The options for the two data fields can be selected. We are leaving ours as distance to the final destination and current speed. Finally, selecting Stop Navigation will immediately end navigation. And that's it. We have created a course in the Garmin Explore app and sent it to our Foretrex 901. Thanks for watching. For more help, please visit support.garmin.com.